The clock starts. 2 hours, 2 texts, 1 essay. The comparative essay is a major hurdle in VCE English. It can feel like a test of pure talent under immense pressure, but it's not. It's a test of process. Success here isn't born from a last-minute stroke of genius. It's built systematically, week by week, to create what you could call justified confidence. So what does that system look like? Weeks before the essay, the focus is on deep knowledge. This means reading your texts multiple times, not just for plot, but for patterns. You create comparison charts that map out themes and authorial techniques side by side. This is where you build your toolkit, a bank of potential thesis statements, lists of connections, and your evidence. The goal is to memorize around 12 to 15 key quotes, a small arsenal for each text that you can deploy with precision. The week before isn't for learning new material, it's for refining. This is when you run full, timed practice essays to simulate the real conditions. You review your annotations, you lock in those quotes, and you check your comparative frameworks. You're not just practicing writing, you're practicing performance. During the assessment itself, your plan is your anchor. Allocate your time strictly. About 15 minutes for planning, a solid hour for your body paragraphs, and absolutely crucial time at the end to revise. This discipline helps you avoid the most common pitfall, writing about one text, then the other. VCE demands integration. Weaving your analysis together, point by point, is non-negotiable. Ultimately, this isn't about luck. It's about trusting the work you've already put in. You've built the knowledge, you've practiced the skills, and you've established a reliable process. Now, you just have to execute.